Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna talking about how to disable two-step authentication in Discord. So in this case, log into your Discord first, then go to user settings. Then you'll find here my account. Scroll down and you'll find enable two-step authentication. I didn't enable it, that's why it is saying this. But if you already enabled this, how you can disable this, which is open up your Google authentication, then you will find here disable two-factor authentication. Then you have to put here the code, that code from your mobile or the Google authenticator, then click on continue, or you'll find there to disable that option. Okay, so guys, try it and you can do this, I hope. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.